Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the manual ranging digital multimeter tester measuring AC-DC voltage, AC-DC current resistance and Lcd Backlight multimeter tester by zhenchenggao. I hope it's the right spell. It's the brand is THS Indy. Okay, it is a digital multimeter with ceramic insurance tube, protected circuit, battery test, square wave output, metal shield plate, anti-magnetic and anti-interference, Diodes Buzzer on off test. The manual ranging in the market don't have the 4 function, but this product it has it. Multimeter can date, hold, power saving with a 15-second turn of backlight, read more clean with large LCD backlight, wide used in the voltage regulation, car secret, intelligent robot, science, technology, and your daily life. And there it is, the 9-volt block. This is the energy power machine for your multimeter. Yeah, that's enough power to test so many things. What this? Yeah, a ribbon maybe? I don't know. Maybe to protect the virus or something, or maybe for your hand. I don't know. It's a gimmick, isn't it? Let's go. What is this? Oh yeah, crocodile claps. Nice. This is cool. This is awesome because you can test and lock the line at the places you are needed. There it is, one of this. On each side there is a crocodile mouth. You can open by pushing on top of it, or not on top, on the side, as you can see. For example, let's push it a little bit, and there it is. The crocodile mouth is open. Good. And on the other side, it's the same. It's a crocodile mouth. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 lines in this set. I think it is 6. But it's enough. You will only need 2. One for the plus line and one for the minus line, of course. And these lines are detected in some colors: green, white, black, red, and so on. And this is the main measuring lines in black and red. Red is every time for the plus, and black is every time for minus, with a little cover on top of the line. It's for protection. This is good. It's good, really good. It feels like quality work. And here, yeah, let's have a look with the crocodile lines. There are you able to locate them on the top, or grab them there. Good job. Now it's not so good to make it like this, but it's only for example. Okay. Now let's head up to the main product. The digital multimeter, yeah, test leads, alligator clips, silicone cover, new design to install battery more easy. That will be shown later, how to get the 9-volt block inside this machine. But first there are some manuals, okay, English language, some warranty markets, okay, but we doesn't care, we have YouTube for this, and my channel, of course, yeah. Let's have a look to the main product. Okay, the multimeter itself, there it is. And it's wrapped inside. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, nice. It feels high quality, as you can see. There's big buttons, and you can slide the setting wheel on the top, on the center of the machine. And there on the downside, there are 3 slots to pull or lock in the cables. The black cable is every time in the middle, the COM port, and the red wire you're going to push in the left or right side for AC or DC voltage test or something other mechanism of this device. There is multimeter settings. All you know about multimeters is all in one part, as you can see. Okay, let's check this out with a 9-volt block. There it is. Plug it in the red line. Okay. You can switch, as you can see. Good job. Now let's start. On the back side, there's a slot for the battery. It's easy to install, as you can see. We will take a screwdriver with a Phillips bit on top and now rotate it anti-clockwise until the screw is unscrewed. Okay, now you can lift up the cover, and there it is, the plug for the 9-volt block. Okay, now unwrap the 9-volt block first, and then on top of the 9-volt block there is a small plug and a large plug, and in different thing. There is a big and a little hole, and this you have to plug in. There it is. Good job. Now the energy is there inside the machine. Okay. Now push back the 9-volt block in position and reinstall the cover again. Only push it on top and then tighten the screw. Let's go. Oh, again. Good job. Yeah. Now tighten the screw and our machine will be ready to use. Now there's a gimmick, as you can see, a food, stand food for make a better placement. Good job. Yeah. Now let's check a little bit. Oh yeah, big screen, as you can see. Good job. Nice and easy to read. There's so many different options in this machine. AC dam, DC, diode test, battery test, all things there, really. Let's check something. Yeah, alligator clips, okay, on one side, alligator clips on the other side. Let's check the line. Yo. Yeah, there it is. The sound means that this line is good. There's traffic inside. Energy flows from one side to the other side. Test granted. Good job, machine. First step, good. Nice and easy to hear. There is a backlight display. You have to push, and then there's light behind the LCD screen, the panel. Let's check some other thing. Let's check battery. 9 voltage, plus and minus. Push it on top, and of course you have to set the right direction on the left side first. And as you can see, 9.6 voltage. This battery is full. Good job. Nice and easy to use this multimeter. Oh, it works great. Really good. Nice, tiny, small, but a big, huge display. And good quality product, as you can see. And you're able to hold the machine, not the machines on the values. If you are measuring something, hold the measure, and you are able not to forget it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.